So here we have the Hyundai i30 Estate on a 20 plate. I'm going to start off by showing you around the outside of the car, and then we'll hop in and run through some controls on the inside. From the outside though, you can see it's a 5-door car with alloy wheels. We're going to start off inside the boot space first of all. As we approach the back of the car, you can see we have reversing sensors, plenty of boot space as well, along with that 60-40 split folding rear seat should you wish to increase this space even further again. Okay, so we're just going to work our way back around to the front of the car, and then we'll hop in and run through some of those controls as I mentioned on the inside of the car. But now that we've done a full circle of it, you can see it's in fantastic condition the whole way round. Just briefly before we climb in, I think it's well worth seeing the interior from this exterior point of view. There's plenty to run through on the dashboard, so let's hop in and we'll do that now. Okay, now that we're inside the car, we're going to start with the dials. Over on the left-hand side, we have the rev counter and coolant temperature gauge. On the right-hand side, the speedometer and fuel gauge. In the centre, you can see the total miles for this car. Firstly, they are 65,917. The trip computer above that, you can change the information displayed there for various things, including, as you can see, a digital readout for the speedometer. You can, as I say, change it to other types of menus, so your satellite navigation, vehicle systems, user settings, and back around to the beginning again. And the buttons that I was using to do that are just here. Over on that side, we've also got our cruise control. On the left-hand side, we have stereo and phone controls, including voice activation for the phone. Behind the steering wheel, the minus and plus paddles, so that you can change up and down a gear manually with this automatic gearbox. Over in the centre next, we have the main screen for the car. So you can access certain menus from here. All menus are available from this one screen. So for example, you can see we have Apple CarPlay and Android Auto available. You can pair up your phone from here as well. You can access your satellite navigation should you wish to do so. So very easy. Say you can input an address from there. You can just go straight into the map should you wish to. And as you'll see, it's a really nice clear colour display. Very easy system to use ultimately. You can come back out to the home screen from here. When it comes to our music, we have the radio, DAB, FM and AM radio. If you want to listen to your own music, you'd hit the media button just there, which is grayed out because nothing is connected at the moment. You can connect up an auxiliary device, a USB device. You can stream your music wirelessly via Bluetooth audio once your phone is paired. And of course, you've got your Android Auto and Apple CarPlay options as well. On top of all of that, we've also got a full color reversing camera. Working our way down from there, we have the air conditioning. So you can adjust the temperature, the fan speed, and the direction you'd like the air to be distributed in. When you're happy with those settings, that button turns your air conditioning off. Back on again, you can recirculate the air that's in the car. That's a great way of heating it up or cooling it down quickly, depending on the temperature you've set over here. Underneath that, we have two 12-volt charging sockets, auxiliary and USB inputs, the gear lever for the fully automatic gearbox. You can change that into sport mode should you wish to. We have parking sensors you can turn off, and you can turn off the stop and start. This car is designed to cut out when it's stationary in traffic to save you fuel. The system is off when that light shows. All that leaves me to say is thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you'd like to come and see the car for yourself and have a test drive, please feel free to give us a call here at Mach 1 Cars. We'd love to hear from you soon.